This assessment asks us to provide the IUPAC name for this molecule. First thing we need to do is to find the parent hydrocarbon for this molecule. There are 6 carbons in the longest consecutive carbon chain. Our 6-carbon parent hydrocarbon is hexane. But this molecule is not going to be a hexane. It has a ketone in the structure, and so we will update the suffix, and this will be a hexanone. We can then figure out these substituents and their positions. We'll number this molecule from the right to the left in order to give the ketone the lowest number. So at carbon 2, we have the ketone, and at carbon 5, we have the methyl group. We can then put this all together to come up with the IUPAC name. The IUPAC name will be 5-methyl hexane 2-one. This is the IUPAC name for this molecule.